bring down that which holds you up. To break it in is half the fun. Through the motions, out the other side. To build your shelter is to affirm life. I can't make you ride a bike. I can't make you tie your shoes. I can't make your friends for you. And I can't make you choose. While I'm here, I'll be your guide. But ultimately, you'll have to decide. The journey's begun, ready or not. I'll be a counsel, but you'll call the shots. I can make you ride a bike. I can make you tie your shoes. I can make your friends for you. And I can make you choose. I'll be with you, as I've said before. But you'll be the one to open that door. Always something different, always something more. The key is indifference, of that much I'm sure. I can't make you ride a bike. I can't make you tie your shoes. I